In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add narrator credit on KDP, a helpful tutorial for beginners looking to navigate this important part of the Kindle Direct Publishing process. Whether you're an author who's just completed an audiobook or a narrator wanting to ensure your work is properly credited, knowing how to update contributor information is crucial. So let's dive right into the steps to add narrator credit to your project on KDP. To begin, you'll need to log into your KDP account and access the project to which you want to add a narrator. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Contributors. This is your first stop. In this section, you'll see options to choose various types of contributors for your publication, such as authors, editors, and illustrators. What you want to do here is specifically select the option that says Narrator. This selection will indicate to KDP that you're adding someone who has contributed to the audiobook version of your work by providing their voice. After you've selected Narrator, the next step is to enter the narrator's full name. It's important to be meticulous here. Make sure you have the correct spelling of their name, as this is how it will appear in your book's details. Properly crediting your narrator not only acknowledges their hard work, but also helps in building a professional relationship. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to double-check the spelling directly with the narrator. With the narrator's name correctly entered, you're going to move on to saving and confirming this information. Find the Save button or option on the page to lock in your changes. It's always a good practice to double-check everything before confirming, just so you don't accidentally overlook any detail. Confirmation is key in this stage, as it ensures that your updates are recognized by KDP and will be reflected in the publication's final details. Finally, with all your narrator information saved and confirmed, you're ready to publish your work with the updated credits. When you publish your book, KDP will include all the contributor information you've entered, so it's crucial that everything is accurate and up to date before pressing that Publish button. Keep in mind that this step also allows your audience to connect with the talent behind your book's narration, which can be beneficial for both promotion and recognition. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add narrator credit to your publication on KDP. Properly crediting your narrator is not only a professional responsibility, but also an important part of supporting the people who contribute to your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.